You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.
She's ready for war. When you call her for war, she's ready for war. She not the fear at all. She's ready to fight. She not the fear at all. She's ready to fight. Nanza, don't wear on the charger. And I'm a nobody fear Nanza. Okudo kaburu, say I am the respect is a true broker. Man, Nanza is ready.
Get my walking stick. Bring him here. Where is that idiot you call a daughter?
Please, Igwe. Whatever you want to do to my daughter, do it to me, but spare her life, please.
Really? Take him up.
Igwe, please. Igwe, please, no. Igwe, please. Spare my life. Igwe, please, spare my life. Hey! 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 Ah! Igwe, please, don't spare my life, oh!
Bring the casket.
Man, this period go too semo. This festive period go for everywhere. Marama, they wine. Hi, everywhere go. Eh? What happened?
Problem day.
What's he?
Dikeh dey house. He dey with Papa.
Eh?
If you no follow me go now, Papa, something fit up for Papa house. Oh.
You say waiting?
They tell you say Dikeh dey there. He dey there. He dey with Papa.
Wait, I dey come.
Hi.
Papa! Papa! What have you done to my father? What have you done to him, you murderer? You bastard! What have you done to him? Papa! 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 No! Papa! 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 No!
Hey, you. Are you the person in charge of here? Yes. No problem. Young man, on whose authority are you working on this site?
Maziokoro's son, Mr. Andy. This is his project and I'm in charge.
Any problem? So since when have you people started working on a site without the consent of the king?
Chinekeme. Now, what thing they happen for here now? What thing they happen for this community now? This is his father's land. He inherited it from his father. He need king permission to build house for his own papa land. We don't know.
Kai, young man, you better be careful, is that clear? Don't get me upset here. Who are you? I said, who are you?
Now, officer, no dey GK me now. Who are you now? No dey GK me because say carry kalana. My name is Soko Sisi. I'm from this community. And the little I know, you are working for the king. You're not from this community. So no dey GK me now. Who are your compass now?
Oh. I can see you have mouth, ba? I can see you have guts. You don't drink crocodile water, ba?
See, officer, I see me like this now. I no get time for problem. Allow me, make I do my work. Go do your work for palace.
Stop that nonsense you are talking about. Leave these premises right now. I say you should get out from here.
What thing dey happen here now? Abobia, come, manipulate. They talk to people wey hold kala. You too, a cookie like you.
Hey, officer, you go money. Hey, officer.
Hey, what thing dey happen here, sef? When dey happen here? What thing dey happen here?
You have guts. You have guts, Abi. You think you have guts?
Yeah.
You have guts? Yeah. Go down. Yes. Go down. You think?
Yeah.
Are you stupid?
Chineke man.
I said, are you mad? Are you okay? Hold on, man. Hey, go that way. That way. Catch that man. Go. Get that man. Hey, hold me. Go now, hold on. Catch him. Hey! Here, let me see the one you have.
Come and pass around, make you see away. Fast. How you doing now?
Fine, so okay.
You go fresh. This Lagos good for your body.
Give God the glory. You look good, though. You're enjoying yourself. You know, when I found out that you are into this business, I thought about giving you a contract to supply chicken for the burial ceremony.
You're a good friend, though.
Observer.
Okay.
Carry
on. Get with.
This is your best. They are majestic. I'm really impressed.
No, wait, I don't they carry away. Hold the two, make you see.
Okay, no go die.
They chop well. No, can you give them the two, Obi?
Okay, I think I think I like them.
Big boy, Abi, Pockish.
Nasa, you're so funny. You know you've not changed.
Andy. Andy. Trouble don't boss you. Trouble day.
I don't understand. What's going on?
No, be down my king. Down my stupid. This one a stupid king. One don't know whether in they hide. Because no only person where they hide. And I'm going to do what thing they do. Because I don't know what thing they give and the Manchester way making go to do for this community. You check out now. In come carry men, come lap your site. Those useless people where they follow them. They carry kala come your site. Lap the site. As if say that one no dey enough. Now these people start to the punch me. If no be say I hold my side, them for just do me anyhow. The one where they pay me now be say they don't seal your site. What? They don't seal your site. You say may nobody walk there again. Now workers waiting for your site, don't Ama.
Because a royal seal in my site. Is this madness?
This one no be madness, it pass madness, this one na highness. The guy dey high.
Nasa, I have to leave now. I have to.
Please follow up the matter. Should I come with you?
No, don't worry, I'll be back.
Hey, what can't be this? Why is this man behaving like this? Carry the four, we'll go back. Make one guy no beat them. Say this on the open mat, they need water. Okay.
Someone is looking for you. Let him in.
Yes, Your Highness. Greetings, Your Highness. My name's Sir Andy Okeke. The man you sealed this property. With all due respect, Your Highness, I would love to know the reason why you chased my workers from my site and sealed my property. Your Highness, I'm a son of the soil. And I inherited that property from my father.
I see you are new here. Maybe you just came back, so you don't know how things work around here. This kingdom belongs to me. I am the king of this land, King Dikeh. They call me the mountain lion. Before you erect any structure in this kingdom, you must come to me and take royal permission. Did you do that?
No, Your Highness.
No. The answer is no. Simply means you violated the rules. So once you do that, it means the property will be confiscated and it now belongs to me. End of story. If you try to erect any other structure without informing me, it will be sealed and the structure will become mine.
Your Highness, with all due respect, like I said, I'm a bona fide son of the soil. And I inherited that property from my father. I had no idea that I had to come to you to lay a structure in my own village. Pardon me, Your Highness, please.
Guards, move this man out of here.
Your Highness, please, you can't do this. I'm a son of the soil. Your Highness, please, Your Highness.
The king is crazy.
Your Highness.
The king is mad. The king is mad.
What happened between him and that man that made him put a seal on his building?
Mama, the same question I asked him. But he said that I'm mad, that I'm stupid for asking him such question. He even warned me not to interfere in his business and dealings with his people. Mama, I'm worried because I don't want him to have problems with people. Having issues with people on a daily basis is not healthy.
Because of our land. So you mean to tell me that he doesn't have any tangible reason for placing that seal?
Mama, no reasons at all. No reasons. I'm suffering in that house. I'm suffering in that house. In Dikeh's house, I'm a nobody. But God knows in my father's house, I'm a queen.
This is serious. Somebody needs to call him to order. What is all this now?
You have to help me and talk to him. He's your in-law. He's your son-in-law. You have to help me out.
Somebody that doesn't even listen to you.
Are you sure of what you just said? Uncle, you said it to my face. He now lay claims to my building. Uncle, I inherited this property from my father.
I plan to build a structure there to host my friends before and after the burial ceremony. And he just came there to shut things down for me, Uncle. Uncle, I'm not going to let this slide, though. I'm not going to let this slide. I will fight that man till the last drop of my blood.
My son, going against Dikeh's wish, I don't know how you intend doing that. How do you intend doing that?
Uncle, that is why I'm here. Uncle, I want you to advise me, Uncle. Uncle, that is why I'm here. Uncle, I want you to advise me on what to do.
My son, I don't want to lose you the way I lost your father. This is the loss I can never bear. Going against Dikeh is a suicider. And I don't know how you intend winning the case.
Uncle, I don't understand what you're trying to say. Are you trying to tell me to leave my property for him? Why? Property I inherited from my late father.
My son, it's better than risking your life. Yes. You can get a better hotel for your people that will come for the burial. But for that land, forget about it. Because you can never win the case.
Uncle, it's not possible. I will not leave my property for that man. That useless kid. He will kill me this way. I promise you. Heaven will come down, Uncle. I will not leave my property for him.
Take it easy.
Property I inherited from my late father. You want to take it away from me? For what?
Take it easy, oh. Dikeh is a very strong man.
And you have fun, you never see tell me anything.
I went to confront that man at the palace.
He told me he has taken possession of the land and there is nothing I can do about it.
Taking possession of your land? How? Now he get them. Now your papa get the land. They mad.
I don't even know what is going on. I don't even know what is happening. And my uncle is not even helping matters, discouraging me, telling me that there's nothing I would do about it and that this man is a very bad king. Now, sir, I have legal documents for this property. Hey, what is going on now? What is going on? See, listen, if that man thinks he can talk with everybody, it won't happen. No, it won't happen for me because me, I won't allow him. I won't allow him.
No agree, oh. No agree me they collect your land. Which kind of nonsense be this? That's how this man go just say they oppress everybody anyhow. They misbehave. They show himself. I just they wait for the day when they go carry that in madness near me. The day when they go carry that rubbish come here, that day everywhere go blow for your eye.
Lanza, I'm so confused right now. What will I do, Lanza? What will I do?
Wait, have you discussed this matter with Ono?
No, I haven't.
I'll carry you go here. I also know we'll go get solution to this matter. Who could they go?
Okay. Thank you very much.
My daughter, since the king had made up his mind over that land, there's nothing anyone can do about it.
Oh no, when they talk this in you. What do you mean there's nothing anybody can do about it? It don't make sense now. You are the owner who talk some sense into him. Let him return somebody's property. Now still him be that too. Oh.
For all these years you've been in this kingdom, you still believe that someone can talk to our king and he will change his mind over a subject matter he has concluded. Bet me, not even Lolo can make him change his mind. My hands are tied. Count me out. There's nothing I can do.
Oh no, I don't even understand what is going on here. This is beginning to sound outrageous. I don't understand. Are they scared of this king or what? Who does he think he is? Who is this king that everybody is scared of, that no one can talk to?
He is the king. Not just ordinary king, but a powerful and ruthless one. My son, let me tell you, when a madman has so much power, the wise one just stay away from him. I will advise you to forget about this land. Please, my son.
Oh no, I will do no such. I will do no such. Oh no, I will not forget about my land. I inherited this land from my father. This is my land. I inherited that land from my father. What nonsense?
Now when they mess up for this place, so things go up for this village. We don't go agree. That useless king must return person land. Come on, you should say you be on no because you know they get yourself. You do like Ogbolo.
So now boss can also go a mile.
I will not allow it to happen. It would happen. It will not happen.
God! Before God, what did they happen here? Now your fellow man, now you do all these things for. You vibrate for your fellow man. That's where only me go single-handedly bring down. No, you're not poor now.
Lanza, you know I've invested so much on that property. You know how much I've spent on that property now. I will just lose everything just like that.
You no go lose. You can never lose it. You see that land? You no go lose them. You know what thing go stop, I go carry this matter, go meet our youth leader. We go make some plans when go favor you. No worry, this your land. It go come out. You go see him.
And you think he can help?
Anything when youth put hand, they must come out successfully. And me talk am. Your land go come out. Dikeh no go fit seize that land. And me talk am. No worry, more they go. No relax. No over para.
I'm finished.
You can never be finished. When I there for you, men mount for you. I there for you. No worry. More they go. God. Astilo.
Hey, Naza.
How far now?
Ado, what's up?
I don't wanna leave me now. You get one or two matter I go like clear you. Things is up for this village you.
Waiting me that.
You get one of my friend when come village. You go bury in Papa in 2 months time. But before then, he don't they build house when you go to bury in Papa, take host the friends and do other things. Now from nowhere, bam! Dikeh show. Seize the land. Say they not inform am. Say nobody go build anything for that land. This man just dey oppress everybody for this village. I say more will arrange youth so more will talk this matter because it don't too much. It don't be like this.
Dikeh again. Dikeh again.
Na him o.
Nazan, this matter like this, passing. You know, say it gets wetin I never follow on a talk. Wetin I never review to him. You see, something happened. That period where everybody thinks I travel, I'm not really traveling. Something happened. On today's meeting, we shall be deliberating on the dress code for the Afro Festival. On that day, I need every youth to be uniformed and dress smartly. We need to show them that the youths of this village have not come to play.
001, you're carried.
So I need us.
As you talk, I'm not so.
And who is in charge of this gathering? I am the one. You are Austin, I guess. Yes, I am. I see. And who gave you the permission to hold this gathering? I do not understand. Do I need anybody to authorize me before I hold the youth meeting? As the youth leader, I am their voice. My silence means they have no voice. What are you talking about? Listen, young man. You better seek wisdom like percussion, is that clear? You are nothing without the permission of the king, is that clear? It's not clear. I don't need the permission of the king or anyone else to hold the youth meeting. This meeting doesn't concern the king. I see. But I see that you have guts. Young man, see everybody here!
Caesar! We just keep quiet. You just see the entire youth. You just merchandise, enter inside our meeting. The caprison anyhow. Which guy now? See, as I sit down here, at the Facebook you the caprison anyhow, the Facebook you no be choice. Now see, make I tell you, make I clear you now. No be that what happened last time. Oh. When they happen here now, for this community, waiting they happen. See, I swear, my if you don't say, I go put up for your body. You say 001, they cap, you they cap. I don't tell you before, say you know from our community. You are not from this community, and you don't get right. You don't work for the king. You don't get right to come the cap anyhow. Who goes you now?
Young man, I've missed you before, and I will not miss you again. I said, sit down here!
Guys, how many go light? Leave this one for me. One light. No, how many person go fire here? I don't know. If you move I said move! Officer, no be can last something. Officer, if you move, shoot him! No be can last. Who be you now? Officer, move! Officer, if not be this officer, officer, shoot him! I go change your conversation. Officer, shoot him! Nonsense! You push me! Nonsense! Hey, hold me! Officer, wait till I clear the guy. Officer, clear your down. Come now! Officer, move! Ogun will kill you. Officer, you are here.
Hey, I don't know say the matter reach like this, so.
Naza, I spent almost a year for that prison.
Chimo.
When everybody thinks say I travel, maybe I go find 1 or 2, you understand? I dey inside prison almost 1 year. It never reached like 3 weeks when I come outside now. So Naza, like this now, I no want get anything to do with any matter wey concern Dikeh. I beg.
No, this king don't too mess up. He go collect water. I no put water for mouth talk am. He go be for am. Person me blow his eye, me in mind day. Men go mount for this matter. We go arrange you too. We no go gree.
The thing be saying, I get plan for him. I'm still waiting for the plan to mature. Just need a little bit time. The plan one I get for Dikeh be saying, I go carry him matter. All this nonsense we don't do for this village. I go carry him matter, go meet the council of traditional rulers. Where they judge him matter. You see everything where you don't, everybody where you don't match in head go ground for this village. Everybody must ball out, come testify. Everybody must testify against his evil acts for this village. And once everyone don't do that finish, they go strip him of that thing where make him parade himself like king. That cap where they in head, where make him the buga, the form king. They go strip him of that kingship.
This your idea, Agbado Ram. If you say that crown don't too big for you, then make it do like Ozuo. Go. Because together you to be that now.
Relax. I get my plan. I get once it reach time to execute it. Be number 1, I will let you know.
Move! Move! Down!
Are you mad?
Now you dey mad. If let's say you not get home training. If let's say you not get conscience. Person come back to this village to come bury him papa. You seize in building, seize in land, still get mind and rest time join. And you dey pray for long life. I swear to God you go soon die because you can never have long life. I gave you 24 hours to release Andy from the station. You have 4 hours left to release that man. Put a call across and make him come out from that station now, else that body go surplus.
I see you are truly mad. You come into my palace, the king of this land, and you rain insults upon me? Huh? You challenge the mountain lion? I will bury you exactly where you stand. Lock that gate! Lock it! Shooter!
Try him! Try him now! You think only the craze? I could tell you say craze pass you. Aura for aura, pikin for pikin. Release Andy and I go give you your pikin. Otherwise I go buy this boy. I don't get mine.
Put my son down.
I'm not try him. Anything I want sub, make it sub. I'm not gonna try him. Try him. I don't get conscious. I go blast and die for here. Nothing go sub. Try him. This is not only the craze. And the craze too. I'm gonna let you the mad or God.
My king.
Try nonsense with me.
He's my only son. Please.
Put my son down.
No. Near me, your blood go enter ground. You mad?
Please, I beg you, please. That's my only son, please. Please.
No!
Don't harm my son, please. My king, please do something. Do something, please. Please. My king. She's going with my child. She's going with my child. Please. My king, please. Over there. Please. only child, please. Please. Please do something. That's my only child. Please, I beg you, please. Please. That's my only son, please. Please, that's my only son, please. Please do something, please.